Okay, so there's a restaurant. We're going go we're going to Twin Lakes. Okay, so that's Papa. That's Mom. So very kuyao because she's not wearing any shoe. She's wearing a sandal. And okay, we're walking. Catrice is very kuyawa now. Here in the stones, of course.
But I want to take pictures of you.
Yeah. Green Dawn, Mom's taking a picture. Green Dawn. Haha. And me. Ooh, yeah. So let's go there.
Wala tayo payong?
Oh, Mom's taking a picture. We're in the jungle.
In the jungle. In the jungle.
There's no one here. But us! Woo! Okay, Mom's taking a picture again. No. No.
Again.
Apil ba na siya?
Ay, kagbalak ka mga kaya na-apil ka sa kong video. Woo! Okay. That's the jungle.
Careful.
Let's wait for Mom. I'll be her tourist guide.
Ikaw lang siya akong ko, Andre.
Okay, so let's
Ay,
go.
ako yapil, Andre. Okay, batik na.
Okay, so we're going down. Yeah. We're going down. Yes. There's a boots. Yeah. They're going ahead of us. Because they're very boastful because of their shoes.
What?
See, look at mine.
Mobile.
Look at mine. Move, Karina Dawn.
The experience.
Yeah.
God, it's so nice.
There's the Twin Lakes.
Oh, I like that one.
We're coming down the stream. This is a video, Mom, not a picture. Going down the stream.
Swimming attire.
Oh. Huwag magatak hebalo. Amam tatak huna-huna. Never suit niya.
Nga, ito di.
Picture na ta.
Greet you. Yeah. Wala mga iko. Dapat ka na ito si Diretso dito, ani? Yeah. So, let's go. There it is. The head of Dad. No, at the back of the head of Dad, there's the lake. There's the lake, as you can see that white thing there. Oh, that. We're going down the stream. That's very slippery. If your shoes is very slippery too. Yeah.
Dili the witness.
Slippery sa rocks. Kaya walay
Pero
spike.
dili makay siya kay rough man.
Gani. Like tiles kaya. Hey, there's a kid over there. Okay, there's the lake. Whoa. There's
the
the
other
lake. May, there. So watchtower
Oh.
pa do. Oh,
So we'll have to just do it
yeah.
some other time.
No, karon dra.
Dili man we have to kuan sa bangka.
Rent. Oh,
Wala mo gata sa swimming attire.
di mo gud ta maligo ra.
Dili mga basa mo ta sa bangka.
Okay.
Dili mo gud ta mga basa sa bangka good. There's the lake over there. Yeah, it's a lake. Right there. There is the tourists here. They're walking down the stream. Mom's taking a picture. Let's go. Go. Let's go.
Ano yung Lake Danau nga?
Balin sa Sayaw. Laipod ng Lake Danau. Okay, so this, yeah. Going there is Lake Danau, and here is Lake Balin sa Sayaw. Yeah, let's go on the trail. So there's the bank cut over there, as you can see that. Let's go.
Lahat naman na itong attire.
Okay, let's go. That's, oh, what a beautiful lake. Yeah.
Is this what you wanna mean?
Pana, dili daw na eh.
Mom, can I have my phone?
Ang among tuyo, mutana po lake, mutana yung lake ba na sa yan eh?
Lake Balin sa Sayaw, Lake Danau.
Danau.
Baligikan diri sir ug magbangka mohunong dito sa Daplin tapos mulakaw og 5 to 6 minutes mosaka di sa viewing deck sir para makita ang duha ka lake. Muka-stay pa mo dito 20 minutes sa viewing deck
Before galing.
tapos mo balik abot diri sa 1 hour. Tanang pangalan.
Pwede na ni maliguan, te?
Dili sir.
Okay.
Kung dahil takaligo, wala mo yung swimming pool sila eh.
Wala sir.
Let's go. Excuse me.
Naa tilapia ug karpa sir.
Wala yung mga bait.
Pa! So that's the lake over there. We're in Lake Balin sa Sayaw, and later we're going to Lake Danau. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah. Shit, mosquito. Shit, we're going to that old tree. Karina, wanna go with me? To the old tree.
Slide. Slide down.
Let's go there. Look at that lake. Woo, what a beautiful lake. Woo, whoopee, that's a good lake. Okay, so di slippery dira ya? Slippery dira.
Hindi dandahan lang, pwede mo pagdandahan.
Magpapatulog sana ako sa...
Ay sorry.
Sorry.
Sa gusto ang makaalis na. Nagmadali.
Akala ko si Janine yung tumalon doon.
Hindi ko kaya. Sige na, mauna ka na kuya. Para hindi tayo.
Kita yung log kuya. Sulit balat ng effort niya.
Pa yung bag ko.
Excuse.
O, pag ganun tayo.
Okay, so woo, we're stepping on the log.
Gusto mo ba mag-boat?
Okay.
O, sige, pwede rin. Para nakahinga naman.
Pero parang dapat may na.
So we're in the log right now. Yeah, we're in the log. And that's the lake. Woo! Oh man, they're going to our bank cut. Okay. Okay, so let's turn around the camera. So this is the big log. I want to stand in it, but it's very slippery, so let's go back. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's go to this other side. Okay. Oh, I'm going. Yeah. Okay. You're still on camera. Let's go. Yeah. Asa tong kuan bangka? Green, that is our bangka. Just like it looks like a super ferry. Let's go. Okay, so that's the log over there. That. Okay, so let's move. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's move it. Yeah, this is not on the plan. Huh. Yeah, you can go ahead, Dad. Makaligo ta, makaligo gini. At least save our phones. Okay, so let's go. Be careful what you do, or mumble. Okay, so that's the log over there. Just don't watch it. The tourists, just look at the vlog. Okay, so this is the lake. We're actually in the lake. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna turn off the camera.